All right, guys, so we're actually Mr. and Mrs. Van Booven's project out in Seguin. Once we get a chance to come to the gate, we're gonna actually park in the driveway here and we're gonna access through here in the garage area as well. So we are going to do a complete remodel for their kitchen project. We're gonna access this way here and come around this way. So when we come in, just make sure we bring a lot of plastic tarp to control this area here, guys. What we're gonna do is actually remove all the cabinets here and make sure we take that away. One thing I want to show you up front is actually the homeowner actually was able to create a water line behind here to the fridge. He wants us to recess that back and use a copper line to help him out with that. And it comes from this area here. So he just want to rerun that wire all around into the back into this fridge area as well. The other thing I want to show you guys is the way that we're going to lay out the cabinets. So the first thing, I want to walk you guys through this back wall. We do have some the higher ceilings here. I'm going to take measurements of that as well. But the layout so far is the homeowner's going to come in with a 36-inch stove top. We're going to build actually a tray divider on this side, a spice rack, then a small Lazy Susan on this side here, so you guys can see in this drawing as well. What we're also going to do is build a side cabinet, and then the trash bin, double trash bin, is going to be right here. A 36-inch sink drawer, which is going to come with a new sink as well. The dishwasher, then over here we have another 3-drawer cabinet here. And of course this is gonna include the bigger Lazy Susan as well. On this side, we're gonna actually add 2 other cabinets going on this one. So you guys gonna make sure it has, I've been able to add in the fillers as well. These are gonna come out with the drawers and actually the rollouts on the bottom as well. What we also going to do is actually build a 5-inch wall here. Going upwards, they want to put a bar top on top of that. Once we do that, we're going to come in with backsplash all the way around as well. And what we also going to do is build a bar top with the about 16 inches of countertop going outwards as well. So 2 outlets here, 1 on the bottom on the back side as well. The other thing that we're going to do is actually raise up these cabinets. So right now we're actually only clearing about 13 inches. We're going to push that up about 18 inches. We're going to use a 36-inch high upper cabinets, guys, but make sure we come up with the crown molding to touch it up to the ceiling as well. Remove out the wallpaper where anything's exposed and actually paint that the color. The homeowner actually has the paint color, so I'm gonna take a picture of that to send it to you guys as well. We're also gonna remove out this fluorescent light, guys. The homeowner also has a paint color for that. We're gonna actually just texture that and make it very nice and clean. Incorporate 4 new bright LED can lights for the homeowner as well. Over here, we're gonna actually redesign the upper cabinet. So if you guys take a look at this one, what we did is we angled this corner cabinet here, extend this cabinet out as well, and then all the way up as well. We made these 2 a little bit shorter because we're gonna come in with a 36-inch hood vent, and we're gonna make sure we ventilate it to the outside. I actually took another video of upstairs, and on top of this kitchen, there's actually nothing that's gonna obscure it, so we can actually ventilate that outside as well. What we also gonna do is do a 12-inch cabinet. We're gonna do a frame in the refrigerator here. We're gonna make sure we come with the refrigerator cabinet on top of that as well. And of course the filler. So if you guys take a look at this, we can actually, it recesses back a little bit more for the refrigerator. So we'll make sure we clear that as well. Over here, what we're gonna actually do, guys, is actually build a pantry. We're gonna come in with a double oven cabinet and then 2 sets of 3 drawers on the top, the bottom as well. On the top cabinet, it's gonna be glass upper wall cabinets as well. So the one thing that me and the homeowners caught is, if you guys can take a look here, the crown molding and the cabinet sticks a little bit more than this outer part, and they understand that we're gonna be helping them just make it look as best as we can as well. So we'll make sure of that. We're gonna have the rollers inside the linen closet as well. The pantry. The other thing that we're gonna do is incorporate under cabinet lights, guys, all the way around here as well. And the last thing I want to show you guys is the way that we're going to build the island here. So the way that we're going to do it, if you guys take a look here, we're going to build a 30-inch microwave drawer cabinet. There's going to be a 2 cabinet. Then of course 2 30s on the opposite side as well. The only thing that we're going to change is actually making sure, like right here, the opposite side is going to be more doors to fit a lot of their bigger appliances. We're actually just going to incorporate the 6-inch fillers on each side of this. So that way, when we put it here, the cabinet here, 30, 30, 30, 30, we'll make sure we put 2 of the outlets inside of the fillers as well on each side here. If you guys take a look in here too, there's actually a bunch of outlets already. There's 1, 2, 3, and then there's 4 outlets that we can use. One of them is going to be built for the microwave, then the other 2 can split for the island as well. Half bull nose for the countertop. We're also going to replace it with the Lahara faucet fixture as well. And that's going to be brushed nickel. We're going to make sure we come in with a new beverage brushed nickel faucet as well. And for the pulls, we're going to come in with the Cairo brushed nickel pulls. For the doors, it's going to be right on the frame. When it comes to the drawers, it's going to be right in the center here as well. So I'll send it back to you guys, and we'll take a look at it together.